Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RAD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice bounce from where it was here to where it ultimately closed up there. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying, no, today wasn't a good bounce. No, everybody would agree, good bounce on the bull's part. But that does lead to the very logical and valid question. But is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. And that point is down here at, what is that? $2.75. Why is $2.75 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, so a bounce that is actually a bounce, well, the price is going to keep on bouncing, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's going to make progress and not go back to where it was, because that would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 275. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where it had broken out of today. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. You picture each one of those as stair steps, and hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. That's what a bounce is going to do if it's going to remain a bounce. It's just going to keep on making progress, inching upwards and upwards over time. So it's all about making progress, and in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the statement make progress as $2.75. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, at this point, really all about the pink line up there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. Still got a ways to go. Another level I should probably note is that purple line there, the 50 period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, both of these lines are going to continue to move and be dynamic. But those will be, the levels of resistance going into next week. In my opinion, though, right now talking about and worrying about levels of resistance, not really the top priority. Top priority for the bulls is just build higher bases, go through healthy consolidations, because as long as the price starts building higher bases, then the chart will take care of itself and the bounce will just keep on bouncing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.